Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Honda Civic SR. Now of course with this being the SR, you do get full automatic headlights, you get the LED daytime running lights, front parking sensors, you get these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels, freshly painted in piano black. I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these alloys. Coming around to the rear, we've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up at the top here. Then into the tailgate, we have plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which will fold flat with this level just here. You've got your pull-out privacy shelf just over here as well, which you can see will ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate, as you do also get this section as well. Coming out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've got full electric windows all around. Inside, we've then got your 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got dual climate control in the front, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. We've then also got satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, and then last but not least, we have your various audio sources just here. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your volume, onboard computer control, voice assistant, and then your Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between your infotainment display and your onboard computer. Over to the right, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist, and distance control. You've got full automatic headlights, windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this Civic has only done 34,570 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic SR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.